This station is dividing fractions using popcorn. And yes, we actually are going to be using popcorn kernels today to show division with fractions. So let's get started. Here's our scenario. We have 3 cups of popcorn kernels and we want to give 1/2 cup serving sizes. How many servings do we have? So I'm going to zoom out so we can kind of see the bigger picture of what's going on here. So I've got 3 cups of popcorn. I'm going to fill up these bowls with my popcorn. Okay. And I've got a measuring cup that actually is 1 cup. And I'm going to go ahead and take my popcorn and fill up my bowls. All right. So there's 3 cups of popcorn. And I want my serving size to be 1/2. So I want to know how many of these half cups can I fit into these 3 full cups. So how many servings can I make? So let's start with this first one right here. And if I make a mess, I make a mess, no big deal. Okay, I'm going to kind of fold this here so it comes out easier. All right, so there's 1/2 cup. There's a second 1/2 cup. Another 1/2 cup. All right, that's another 1/2 cup, so that's 4 total 1/2 cups. Last one. Wonder if I see a pattern going on here. All right, that's 5 1/2 cups. And that's 6 1/2 cups. Okay, so the math we just did was this. We found out that if I'm given 3 cups and I divide it by 1/2 cup servings, I'm going to get 6 servings. Pretty cool, huh? All right, there was one thing I hope you noticed when I was doing this that could have been a shortcut. If you notice back to 1 bowl, let me fill it back up again with my 1 cup. So here's my 1 cup of kernels. Hopefully you noticed that when I did my 1/2 cup, we found out that there was 1, 2 servings. So 2 servings is in one of these bowls. And I've got 1, 2, 3 bowls. So that's 2, 4, 6. Or an easier way is 3 times 2. So what we're saying is this, that 3 divided by 1/2 gives us 6, but 3 times 2 also gives us 6. So we're going to make a conjecture. We're going to make a connection. So here we go. If we're saying that 3 divided by 1/2 equals 6, and that 3 times 2 equals equals 6, equals 6, then we can say this mathematically. 3 divided by 1/2 is equivalent to 3 times 2. So what you did was you found out that division can actually be changed to a multiplication problem. And then my divisor can actually be changed to its reciprocal. So if I change this to multiplication, and then I change this to the reciprocal, which is when you take the numerator and the denominator and you flip them around, I'll end up getting the same answer. So that is the shortcut to dividing with fractions.